Hey folks, welcome back. So today what we're going to install is our 2 1/4 oak hardwood flooring. You see we have about 2/3 of the floor done already. So we're just going to take you over here to install these couple of planks. So this is the complete installation from clearing out the old carpeted area, taking up the pad, and installing your hardwood. The couple of steps after this will be staining it twice and then polyurethaning it twice as well. And then you have a finished coat within a couple of days. So we're going to take you in here, we're going to check out our tool and then our mallet. You have this combination and you can install any size flooring just as do it yourself. As you go, you want to make sure you keep adjusting it so you're nice and tight. You also want to put some force with it as well, so you ensure it's stabilized. Also, folks, make sure you all check out our YouTube page for extra content. We have a ton of videos on there with a bunch of different jobs as well as do-it-yourself projects. Make sure you all check out our business page as well at All Elite Construction at Facebook.com and our YouTube page, All Elite Construction at YouTube.com. Thank you very much.